Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum. Zinen, now here as Big Sarah, Sunday was there.
He looks so happy, look at him.
Goddamn being forced again to record this video. Goddamn forcing, all the forcing going on.
Nah, he wants to come in there. Look at him. Okay, carry on.
I definitely don't.
Whoa, look at those bags, see? Huh? Okay, carry on, ma. Yeah.
So then, ostasula bajorum, tasula na duila joroma. Aloo and band gobi. Aloo and band gobi recipe joroma. Cabbage and potato.
Cabbage.
So today I made loads of other things. Well, I'm gonna share with you, but now I'm gonna show you cabbage and potato.
Cabbage?
Cabbage, ma.
Cabbage.
Who cabbage? Who the heck cabbage?
She's making garbage.
You making some cabbage?
No. Cabbage.
Will you hurry up?
Cabbage and aloo.
Yeah.
Band gobi and aloo. Kana Dina?
Yeah.
Dal tarasha.
Definitely.
Dal tarasha kana. Na dal mięskie rasha. Dina mięskie rasha. Mięskie rasha. Mięskie rasha.
Mięskie rasha.
So da zama Coco family da zama Dino zama Nafo zama Sido.
Wait, she just working out and now you're eating some sweets.
Yeah, because he's got...
I put 2 spoon oil, jeera and garlic. So me, Sidi, recipe na pakawasa. Julia, partially. Mauti mas recipe pakawasa dwara partially.
They ran away.
There, I think.
One wants to go to bed and the other wants to go to bed too.
Okay, so I just that's for the garbage.
That's for the garbage.
Yeah, I told you, loads of things is cooking.
Why is it only 4?
Show now, Keda, where is that? That's for you people. There's oil, and then jeera, and lekshan.
Hey, what's going on?
I thought he was going to say, go out and straight away on these 4.
I washed 3 potatoes and put in water so it's never get black. That's the reason, yeah?
Okay. So that's the reason what, Mama?
That's the reason I cut the potato and leave it with salt
okay.
in water so it never goes.
Like soggy.
It's gonna be ready.
Soggy.
Just give me half an hour, it's also gonna be ready. Okay, on high flame again.
Okay.
It's something bought. Oh, he bought it.
I'm trying to do like me.
Why?
Because I need energy.
That's just sugar and water.
Exactly. Raise Lucasade sugar water. That's a good kind.
I need it.
So, alugan kakul istreshu or pakashu. Now us cabbage will be the password. Cabbage will be the password. Cabbage magagali.
Oh, God.
Cabbage will be the password.
What is Jan? Di makarem maharin. Allez, za. 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 What is it? No. Za. Go. See? That's separate dish there.
That's separate.
Okay, this is a separate dish now. Is what is it? It's cabbage and potatoes.
Really? Cabbage.
Oh, yeah.
But you thought the leggies of cabbage, Wema. Cabbage. Accent, farak da wajina da week the wena to cabbage. No, da what they kana? Cabbage they kana or aloo. Da look potato or basu lagi. Aloo poksho was cabbage na.
Yeah. So she's put the cabbage and the potatoes together and first potatoes and then the cabbage. And she's mixing them and put them on low heat now.
Like a lag kigi kana?
Yeah.
So kigi lag That English kivaya kana?
I am, I'm saying it. I've already said it. Surkigi like it's going red.
When it's become golden.
Oh right, gold, yeah. Zever. So Mum's cooking this until it turns brown.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. half a tablespoon, and just a little bit haldi powder, not too much, otherwise it looks too yellow. And garam masala and salt.
Where's Hareen? Where's Maya? What?
Fresh chili.
Again, 1 teaspoon crush.
Crushed. Okay. 1 teaspoon crushed chili. And 3 teaspoons sliced onion. High flame for 7 minutes. Sorry, after 7 minutes, it's still like
Nice.
salt is a bit less.
You always do that, but not always do that, sometimes. So after your accident, namkeen nahi hai itna.
नमकीन नहीं है. Okay, on that stage, I'm gonna sprinkle some dhania.
This is such healthy food, you know.
Yeah, you can make it for diet. It's really, but without oil. Just like a little
Olive oil.
olive oil. You want to try it, Nafla?
Yeah, always.
Go on, try some. No, Dayo, try.
Dial.
Rishki oil.
It's so nice.
It's so
It
nice.
doesn't even like, it tastes like cabbage.
It's done, innit?
No.
Yeah, that's the whole thing.
So weird.
Otherwise,
Wait, let go,
let it go, let it go. You make it more harder for me.
Nice. Why did you get it? Let me do it.
It's okay.
No.
Now, Dina gonna say, I never eat this one before.
Well, you
That's
don't
what,
cook.
that's what
You don't
Dina
cook this,
did.
innit?
That's what Dina say all the time. To eat up every recipe.
Look at this.
Okay, last